Grab the Sentina, controller, and the controller cable, which is the phone jack cable. Plug one end of the controller cable into the controller and the other end into the Sentina. Next, grab the power cable, which is the USB cable, and your power supply, in this case, a power bank. You can also use an XLR USB adapter or a USB hub on the powered wheelchair. You can either plug the micro USB end into the controller or into the Sentina, depending on what's more convenient for cable routing. Plug the mini USB end into your power source. Your Sentina is now powered and ready to go. Plug the echo head into the 4-pin port on the Sentina. Before securing all the cables, make sure the lights map correctly to the position that the echo heads are mounted on. Plug the vibration module into the 2-pin port of the Sentina. Make sure the vibration switch is turned on to feel vibrations when an obstacle is detected. Before securing the vibration cables, make sure that the vibration modules are positioned on the wheelchair so they match up with the positions of the activated sensors. For example, the client should feel vibrations on the right side of the chair if the right side sensors detect obstacles.